Hey everyone, Justin here. For this short video, I just want to show you a fun way to mod your game, which is to add music or sound effects to your game. To do that, you just need your music file. I have one over here, a song called Laser Groove from creator Kevin MacLeod, and it's kind of goofy, kind of fun. I thought it matched my silly Pong mods here. So to get it into my game, I only have to select a folder where I want it to go. In this case, I'm just going to pick the audio folder where the other sound effects are. And I'm just going to click and drag it in. Godot loads the file right into your file system. So now you just have to figure out, how do I add it to my game and make it play when I play the game. So up here in the top left, the scene tree, the list of all the building blocks of your game, this is where I'm going to go because I need to add a small building block, something called a node, which we'll talk a lot more about as we do more in Godot. But this kind of, there's tons and tons of different kinds of nodes that do all different things for your game. In this case, I need one that will hold my song file and play it when I want. So I'm going to go to the plus button underneath the word scene. And I have audio typed into the search already so that I can quickly sift through so many nodes and just grab the AudioStreamPlayer. And I hit create, and there you go. It's been added to my list of building blocks here. And with it selected, I can see over on this side, on the inspector, all these different properties. I'm not going to do too much with it. I just want to add the sound file to it and make sure it plays. So where it says empty here next to stream, I need to change that. I need to get my song in there. You can hold the click and drag it there. And there you go to load the song. I actually find it easier, I'm just going to hit refresh and get rid of it, just to hit this little down arrow and go to this button that says QuickLoad. What that does is it kind of knows that this node is about audio playing and that's the kind of file you'd be looking for. So when I click it, it just shows me a list on the screen of all my sound files. Makes it a little bit faster to find things when your game gets big. So I'm going to go ahead and add it. And we can test it by hitting on with playing here. Okay. Awesome. So now I'm going to hit AutoPlay and just play the game and see if it works. Let me make it full screen. Yep. Now I've got a soundtrack.